Hello guys, how are you? My name is Mateo, and in this project I'm going to show you how it is the implementation of control of the temperature for turn on a heating. This is very important because it's a tip for spend less energy, and that's it. So in this project also I am using IoT using Wi-Fi. Also you can control the different type of switch using your voice and using Google Assistant, and it's a very interesting project. So stay in the channel and see you. So guys, this is my project. This is the heater, and you can follow the wire. This is the wire, and the wire enter here in the box. This box I did it in the university with the 3D printer. So here what we have the 7-segment display of a SparkFun company, and here we have a really powerful microcontroller. The name is Arduino MKR1010. Here the most important thing I believe that is the sensor of the temperature. This one is the Dallas sensor. Also inside the box there are a thermistor temperature that go to an input, ADC input. Here we can see the connection. This is for 220 volts, and here I have this is the wire 5 volts. I'm going to reset, and we can wait and how the microcontroller begin. So if we wait several seconds, sorry. Okay, now then I'm going to show you how it is the app, the Blynk that I did it. And now it's starting. Say hola. That hola in Spanish, in English is hello. It's in Spanish. So now inside my room I have 19.12 degrees, and when it starts, this start off. So you have to switch on with the button, with the switch in the app application of Blynk that I did it. So I'm going to show you and explain you a video how it is the app. So for understand more the idea, remember you that the idea is using the Arduino microcontroller. Here I'm using the MKR1010 and modules, IoT Blynks, and that's it. So you can use the thermistor. Here is the explanation, or you can use the sensor that is more accurate. So the Dallas sensor. So I am using this microcontroller. Then you can see the PDF, the real-time clock. Also Blynk have a widget with a real-time clock. Then this is the Siemens shield, that is the SparkFun company. This one it is, and this is the sensor of the temperature. Then here is planning which pins I am using. Input ADC for the lecture of the thermistor, and the GPIO is the LED indicator. Then I'm using Blynk and IFTTT, so I can use the Google Assistant and the IoT device. Then go into the code. Again, the pin configurations, I don't go into say you, I don't going to show you how it is the connection. I suppose that you know about electrical things, so that's it. My variables, initializations, this is comment of the thermistor, this is for the Dallas sensor temperature, then the library for the module of Wi-Fi includes in the microcontroller, then my password of my Wi-Fi. These are widgets of Blynk. So then in the setup you have to begin Blynk, then in the loop also Blynk run, timer run. This is a widget of RTC inside the Blynk. You can use this RTC widget of Blynk, or also you can use the external RTC module. Then all the functions, you can see the function, for example, temperature. I am reading this is for thermistor is comment. You can use this function temperature. So here I am doing an average. This average is for take is a 4 cycle, so I'm taking 3 measurements and I am approaching. So finally this I divide 3, so I have more accurate in the final result. So then I send to the serial. If we go again to the loop, approach, I have a delay of 2 seconds, 1900, and then decision. This is a function for take a decision, and inside I have a lot of switches that I'm going to show you in Blynk for how I am taking the decision. So if I open the photos, this is Blynk. So these 4 are switches. So now here, for example, is turn on this, so the heat is on. I'm showing the hour and the day. This is the temperature label. Here this is a push button. You can put 9 different intensity of the light of the display of the 7 segment shield. Then you can switch the switch and turn on, for example, and you're going to show you're going to see in the display the hour and the day also after 2 seconds, and then all the cycle again showing the temperature, the date, and then the hour. Then you can turn off and put another switch. For example, this one of here is 30 minutes, 80 degrees until 20.5 degrees oscillation. So that's it. I think that you understand. And this is another case. For example, I'm taking a decision. I am turning on for 30 minutes. For example, here. What more? There are lots of comments of code that I'm not using. This is the function of the cement display for send information of the temperature, for example. And that's it. You can read all the functions and you're going to understand it. This one is the function of the light of the display. For example, if you push one time, you are in 0, then if you push again, you are in 1. So, and you do all the cycle and then start again. So finally, you can see more photos. Oh, this is the PCB. Here it is the thermistor that finally I am not using. This here is the sensor of the temperature wire. Here is the project. Here is the sensor again. The box that I did in the 3D printer, and that's it, the project. So I hope that you enjoy.